So we've got a call for some sort of side-by-side that's stuck down by the river on the north side coming in from Tokerville. So we are going to have to assemble a team to go get this, because this could potentially be a very big job. I'm glad it's a side-by-side. Last time it was an S10 and it took us 6 hours, 4 or 5 Jeeps to get this guy out of there. Hang on, kids.
Ow. Boy, I had a good run too, man. I pushed, but as soon as I came around that turn, it would dig in and I'd lose my momentum, and that was it. I'd get around that turn, but it just bogged down. And after 4 times, I said, "Oh, that's good enough before I break a belt or something else."
Yeah. We got a winch. We brought a winch this time. It's sitting there in the back, ready to be plugged in. I know when to bring a winch. Trust me.
I'm sure you do.
This happens. You're on a nice trail, and that's how the sand around here gets everybody. You'll be on a nice trail. I mean, this is rough, but I could make it here in a minivan.
Sure, but you know what I mean? It's deceiving because you're on this road right here, and it cuts off to the left, and there's tracks all over. And it's like, I'm not people who are down there. They just have more power than I do. That's an 800, and it runs like a top and all that. It's got mongoose tires on it. It's not junk. Boy, I just ran out of steam about, like I said, 2/3 of the way up.
drive up to here, you think?
Get to right here.
Okay. Steps, because we're not going to make it around that corner with this much rope. So we'll pull you up to where you can get going.
Okay.
And we'll shorten the rope up or whatever we need to do to make sure we get you up and around that corner.
Right. Let's see, I might be. That's tight again. I wondered how those things worked. I've seen them before. Just never seen one in action.
Problem is they're supposed to pull like this,
Oh, okay.
and it's hard to keep them. It's not going to matter.
If you'd rather, I can take that D-ring.
No, we're perfect. It rutted out by the time we'd driven up it a couple times. Can you get going there? Yeah. So that job went pretty smooth, a lot smoother than before. The dry sand was working against us, but I don't know what to say, Randy. You put me on the spot. We got everybody out without winching, and now we're just driving this 1.5 or 2 miles. I don't know how long this is. A couple miles back to the staging area, and that's that. All right, so we got the Razor back here safe and sound. Now we're gonna go get some dinner. We're at 45.5. This one's 38.5. So I got 7 inches of total lift. I don't care a lot about it. It either works or it doesn't. I get asked all the time what lift I have on this Jeep, and I don't know. But there you have it. These tires measure out at 33 inches tall. Of course, if I aired these up, they'd be taller. 28. Comparable. So my front differential is 9.5 inches. 8.5. We'll call that 8.5. It's just short of 8.5 inches. And this one's just over 8.5 inches. There's a couple of specs for you. I'll tell you what, this thing rides a lot smoother and quieter and tracks better. So to do this Jeep comparison, we needed a clean stock Jeep Cherokee, same year as ours. And Monet at Reese Auto Brokers in St. George, Utah, loaned us this Cherokee for our little comparison today. They specialize in low mile, kind of unique cars. If there's something, I mean, they're worth checking out if you're looking for something that's a little older with no miles on it in perfect condition. That's what these guys specialize in. That big old scale weigh that tiny little thing?
Oh yeah. Just gotta let it settle down with the wind. That one is 3,440 pounds.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll go get the next one.
Minus what was the first one?
3440.
Difference of 820 pounds.
Wow. Awesome.
No
Thank
problem.
you. That's a bone stock original Jeep
Uh-huh.
versus the one that I use that's set up for off-road with more stuff in it.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.